How to fix the error, attribute error, stir object has no attribute, append. What this error is saying is that Python strings do not have any method named append. There's no real way to fix this, as the error is just informing you of the absence of functionality, but there are other ways to achieve the appending functionality. Let's say the example you're wanting to do is to append t to hi to make hit. One thing you could do, assuming hi is in a variable called s, is s equals s plus t. This adds the string t onto the end of the string hi. There is another way to do this, but the functionality is a bit weird. If you do s equals the empty string dot join a list containing the original string and then the t you want to append onto it, you can be the judge of whatever functionality you prefer. Like and subscribe to learn more.